Hey guys, it's me Sasi and welcome back to another unboxing video. So today I got one interesting product. Again, I bought from Amazon for my personal use. I'm going to explain a little bit on why I bought this product and a particular one, and then we do the unboxing. So let's get started. This is my new Akaso Brave 7 action camera, and along with that I also bought one accessory kit. So basically the action cameras are very small and they are used in very extreme sports like skiing and surfing, all those. Though I'm not into those sports, but for some reason I always wanted to buy one action camera for myself, and I thought this will also help me in doing my vlogs and travel videos. But at the same time I don't want to spend too much on a gadget at this point of time. So I found this particular brand, Akaso, and I read a few reviews as well. So many say this is a very good budget friendly alternative to the high-end models like the GoPro, and it comes at 1/3 cost of any of the GoPro models. That's why I decided to try this one, and this has a 20 MP sensor and can do like 4K videos at 30 frames per second. So I feel it is good for low light conditions. It has a dual screen, 2-inch touchscreen on the back and 1.5 on the front, and it allows you to see yourself while recording basically. So this is particularly useful for vlogging, and this Brave 7 is also waterproof, and with the included case it can go up to 130 feet, and it has a built-in electronic image stabilization, again very common on the action cameras, right? So it got all these features, and on the imaging side or on the filmmaking, so you can do slow motion burst photos. It got Wi-Fi connections, pretty much all standard features what you see in GoPro, and budget friendly. So I believe that's what this product will attract to many people like me. So let's do the unboxing, and again this is a true unboxing. I haven't opened it. If you watched my other couple of unboxing videos, you might have seen that I open it, see the product inside, and then we'll do shooting the unboxing video. But this time I thought I can do it in front of the camera. So quickly let's get started. Where do I open? So right, so immediately the dual screen, that's what I'm talking about, right, is immediately visible. And the packaging is pretty good, I guess. You have this quick start guide and a warranty card information. So this itself has a lot of accessories. We can go for this later, but I think this is a remote or something, and it has a lot of latches, a USB cable. This is what the case, I believe, or not. This is just a protective case, and a couple of batteries and a charger. Few mounts. There are a lot of accessories in this. I haven't expected these many to come, and I have to at least spend an hour to understand all these things. So this is my first action camera, so absolutely no idea how I'm going to use it, but out of curiosity I bought it, and I'm going to explore how to really make use of it. So there are various latches and mounts. Typically these are all to mount your camera on your helmet or basically, on your bikes like that. So these are the things I could see in this main unit. Along with that, I also bought one accessory kit. If you search it in the Amazon, it will say Akaso action camera Parker kit. So what basically it has is, it has a strap, a head strap, and a camera mount. Not just a head strap, but it also has a chest strap, basically here. A chest strap and a chin, a head. There are 3 different straps it comes. Yeah, this is the Parker kit. Let's quickly see what is this. Yeah, basically this goes on your head and you're going to mount your camera here, and this is your chest strap. You put it on your body and this is where you're going to mount your camera. So all these accessories, right, you have various mounts as well. All these accessories are going to be very useful when you do your vlog, or you want to capture while doing your adventure sports, you want to do skiing, those times you want to capture those moments. All these gears are going to be very useful. But coming back to the camera, so as I told, it has various things like let's see if they have anything put in here. So the dual color screens and IPS8 waterproof camera, and it can do, as I told, 4K at 30 frames per second, and it also has a 20 MP sensors. So I don't know, this thing also, like they have this is I see this is a plastic and they have screwed, or I don't know how to remove this. So let me check. Oh, here we go. Finally I was able to. And screw this, and yeah, see how compact is this. Yeah, so I could see a power switch, but I don't think this has any juice in it, so I have to charge it so that it can come to life. So I'll do one thing, I will charge this, and once it is up, probably I can continue this video.